Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. Today we're diving into something seriously cool, something that's going to totally level up your home decor game. We're talking about Cadence Candle Paints.
All right, let's be real for a sec. Have you ever found the perfect scented candle, but it's just so plain? You know, it's just a blank cylinder of wax with zero personality. Your style is awesome and unique, so shouldn't your candles be too, right?
Exactly. That's the way to look at it. Every single one of those plain candles is basically a blank canvas, just sitting there, waiting for you to get creative. It's like a whole world of art just waiting to happen, right there on your shelf.
It's such a disconnect, isn't it? I mean, you spend all this time making your space look amazing, making it totally you, and then bam, a boring, generic candle just sticks out like a sore thumb. Well, guess what? We're about to fix that.
Okay, so how in the world do you paint on something as slippery and waxy as a candle? Come on, you can't just slap any old craft paint on there and call it a day. Nope, you need something special, something made for this exact challenge. And this is it. Introducing Cadence Candle Paint. Look, this isn't just some regular craft paint. This is a super high-quality, water-based paint that's been specifically designed to stick to those tricky, waxy surfaces like candles and even soap. It is literally the perfect tool for the job.
And the features? Oh, they are awesome, and they make it so easy. First off, it's water-based and has no smell, so no stinky fumes while you work. It's got this amazing creamy texture that gives you incredible coverage, it dries super fast, and the colors stay bright and beautiful forever. We're talking no tarnishing, no fading, period.
And here's probably the most important part. This stuff is totally safe. It's certified non-toxic, which means you can get all creative without worrying about any nasty chemicals. You can even light the candles you've painted, and there's no weird smoke or smells. How cool is that?
All right, now for the really fun part, picking your style. Cadence gives you two amazing finishes to play with. You've got Opaque for that bold, solid look, and then you've got Metallic for a little touch of sparkle and glam.
So, this is where you really get to decide on your vibe. If you want a punchy, graphic design with really solid color, Opaque is your best friend. Seriously, one coat is usually all you need. But if you're going for something with a little more elegant shimmer, the Metallic line is gorgeous. It adds this beautiful, reflective shine. Just a heads up, you'll probably want to do 2 coats to get that perfect, shimmery finish. And get this, you're not just stuck with a few colors. The Cadence line over at doitpaint.com has over 56 different products to choose from. Can you even imagine? The creative possibilities are, well, they're basically endless.
So, are you feeling inspired yet? Ready to start your first project? Good, because getting started is ridiculously easy. Let me walk you through the steps. But wait, before you dive in and grab a brush, I've got a super important pro tip for you. This paint is made for paraffin candles. It won't stick right to soy wax, so you gotta make sure you're starting with the right kind of candle to get those amazing results you're looking for, okay? The process itself, it's a total breeze. Step 1, prep. Just make sure your candle is clean and dry. Step 2, apply. Use a brush, use a sponge, just get that paint on there directly. Step 3, dry. Let it air dry for the best results. And step 4, repeat. If you want a second coat, just wait 3 to 6 hours and go for it again. See? So simple.
And you know what might be the best part of all? There are no extra steps. You don't need to seal it, you don't need to add a varnish or anything. Once that paint is dry, you're done. Your masterpiece is finished and has this durable, long-lasting finish. How easy is that? Okay, so let's wrap this up. What's the big takeaway here? It's all about taking something kinda ordinary and turning it into something that is 100% you. It really all boils down to this awesome line from the source. Illuminate your creations. I love that. You're not just painting a candle. You're literally adding your own creative spark, your own style, to the things that light up your home. So, I'm gonna leave you with this question to get those creative wheels turning. What's your first design gonna be? Are you thinking bold stripes, fun polka dots, maybe a super detailed floral pattern? The canvas is all yours.
All right, you ready to stop thinking and start painting? Head on over to doitpaint.com to check out the entire range of Cadence candle paints. Check out the links to shop the full collection and find your perfect colors. I seriously cannot wait to see what you all create.